Eddie's snoring, as he does every night. Turn the switch on.
Well, he sleeps like a rock.
You've been halfway on your bed, dude.
You gotta roll over her head.
Ooh, Ed, you are a bad man.